people, when we go for a vacation, we are full of guilt. You know what I'm saying? We somehow think the whole company is running on my shoulder. This $3 billion enterprise is running on Ramesh's shoulder. How can Ramesh go? Ramesh will run around, get a backup, get a tracker, get everything arranged, set it up, set an out-of-office email where he has his address, his father's address, his mother's address. Everybody who is contactable in the family is in that email. I see out-of-office emails, man. I see out-of-office emails every day. And I think out-of-office email, the language in that email is the most pretentious email that you can ever use on an email. Have you seen out-of-office email language? It is pretentious. Pretentious like fuck. The first sentence will say, thank you for your email. I'm like, if that was a norm, you would have been thanking me 25 times every day, motherfucker. Why are you thank you for your email? The second sentence, my response will be delayed. I'm like, dude, normally itself it is delayed. You never respond in the first place. Since there is an out of office, at least there is some response. The third sentence, I will not have access to internet. Where are you going? To Timbuktu, motherfucker. I will not have access to internet. If you go to his Facebook and comment, dude, good photo, reply, thank you, thank you. How are you online now? And the last sentence, I love the last sentence always. In case of emergency. What emergency? You are a desktop engineer. You are not a cardiologist in the first place. You are not in the business of saving lives. There is no emergency involved. Once a project manager said, in case of emergency, I said, you are a project manager, you create emergencies. In case of emergency, contact my manager. And why people, let me tell you this. So, Brian will say, contact Matt. You write to Matt, Matt is also out of office. Matt will say, contact some John. John is also out of office. It is a white people loop of loop of loop. Finally, John would have written, please talk to Ramesh.